on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, with you every day. You like my oxygen. Make it seem like the bartender. Got my heart no barging in. From the beat to the flow to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up. Break you in and break you out. In the end, we gon' make a child. Then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2, we don't need no pause. You misty, we gon' get tipsy. Don't need a power shot.
It's the fact that ain't no cap and real. No cap and real. Plastic balls from a cup in my steel.
Good to see you too,
Thank you guys for coming
dude.
out. Dude, it was packed. It was packed.
Dude, but still, this is your car, right?
It is, yeah.
Dude, let's look at it, bro,
Yeah,
please.
come check it out, dude.
All right, we got this nice V10 over here. Talk to me a little bit about it, James.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. So this is my 2017 Audi R8 V10 Plus, or at least it started its life out as a 2017 R8. I've done a full 2020 conversion, headlights, bumper, basically everything to convert this car to what would be a 2020. Full 1016 Industries aero kit on it, so lip, skirts, diffuser, hood, carbon side blades from VF Engineering, and then a VF supercharger as well. So basically, in terms of aero, like it's maxed out. There's nothing else I can really do.
Realistically, what's like the number that someone's looking to invest to join something like this when it comes to the platform of the R8 in terms of like performance and even aesthetic?
You can get into a VF 800 kit, which is the base kit for the R8, around $32,000 just for the kit itself. Install will vary depending on where you go. We charge about $8,500. So around 40, you're in a fully reversible, reliable 800 horsepower range.
Plastic balls from a cup in my steel.
Shit.